So, friends, I welcome everyone. Today we will look at an important and necessary topic, such as creating a custom RPC network in Metamask. This topic is caused by recent events, recent news that instead of Musk plans to start collecting confidential information about which sites you visit, what transactions you make there, what data you enter on these sites. And, as you know perfectly well, this does not really fit in with the position of a decentralized wallet. But in fact, let me remind you that any wallet, in fact, is just an interface, a shell of interaction with the blockchain, and you can manually set up an additional network in the Metamask, which is just the same in contact with this very blockchain. And thereby avoid collecting information that should remain a secret for you. This is just the same speech about the Infura network. That is, if we go to the Metamask in the network, we will see that just the same address of the RRs is here, it just the same mines the Infura. We will replace him. We will replace it with the help of the Alchemy service. To do this, you will just need to register here by clicking sign up. You get to such a page, enter the data there in any name, surname, your email, password. Or you can register using Google. I registered using the corner, it's very convenient, you click there in 2 clicks, everything is registered, as a matter of fact. And after you have registered, click sign in. Go either by mail or by Google, as you have registered, and get into such an interface. Here we need the EPS tab. Crew EP. Now we are just going to create an Ether network here. Let's call it, strictly speaking, Ether. I don't know, RPSI, for a while. Adding a description. We also add any description that you like. I'll just write a number 1 there. And just the same here is a list of circuits that you can configure. I will choose Ether to show, but you know that you can configure any of the given networks, Polygon, Solana, using the same method. That's it, we chose the RPC, called it, press the Prytech. That's it, we immediately created an application, we go into it, you have it right there and you need to go to the button in the UTI. Click it. And we copy this block of ASTI types. We go back to the Metamask. To open this window, you just need to go to Metamask, click Networks and click Add Network. We call the network, let's say, the Ether of Alchemy. Let me remind you that the network name is not required here. You can also come up with what you want, but just insert the legal address that we had earlier, which we copied here. ED chains put 1. The currency symbol is ETAS and the address of the block explorer. Here you need to copy the Ether scan. I will give this information below under the video, what to insert here. In principle, you can save it without it. Click Save. Add this information later. That's it. Thus, we have successfully added the network. And to show that the data is the same, here I show the Ethereum mining network that we have displayed. But the network is silent on the air. The data is absolutely the same. Thus, you can set up any network that is provided by Alchemy and already use it directly to connect to sites, to work with swaps, with DEX, and thus not be afraid that your data will be transferred to the wrong place. Thank you all for your attention.